From today onwards, we'll start to complete Salesforce developer challenges. So let's first complete the basic, which is quick start Apex. Here, the first task is to create an Apex class. We'll click on create an Apex class. After that, we'll be landing on this page. Just scroll down and copy older accounts utility. Do control C or right click or copy. After this, just click on launch. After clicking on the launch, we will be directed here. Here on the top right corner, there is a setup gear. Just click on it and click developer console. After clicking developer console, you will be landing here. Click on file, new, Apex class. Just paste what we have copied. Click on OK. We'll wait. Yeah. Now go to the page where we have started our launch. Now verify the step and the task is completed. We have successfully completed our first task. Thank you for watching.